Aoife, main meal of the day.
Breakfast.
Breakfast, exactly. Breakfast, or, you know, St. Patrick's Day, so we might be up a little bit later, so it could be brunch.
Absolutely.
Right, so today we're going to do some Boston-style hash browns.
Nice.
St. Patrick's Day hash browns. So I've got some potato here.
Lovely.
Nice rooster, just dice them up. Okay. I'm going to a little bit of water in here, just enough to cover.
Okay.
Cold water. You know when you're actually, if you're going parboiling something, you can actually splash them straight into hot water if you want. And then we just give a nice little dice on that.
Okay.
So you get a nice even bite, because you want them kind of nice and small so they'll brown fairly quick in the pan.
Yeah, and even with the red onion, it adds great flavour as well and colour, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You know?
We're going to add some onion, some cabbage, and some bacon lardons.
Bacon, all right.
Yeah. Right back. So this I want to, again, just nice little chop on it. In fact, I'll put them in the trick again with this is just leave them in there. You know, you could probably, if you wanted to really cheat, you could do these in the oven too, the same way we do the wedges. Because we're actually going to reuse all this oil as well.
Okay.
But I don't want too much in it, you know. They are hot. Get those in here, get our bacon in as well. Separate it as much as you can. I want those to crisp up, just like the potato. Crisp up again, so they will take a little bit of a while.
Okay.
And just watch the temperature.
Yeah.
See it? A nice little colour coming on those there. I'm going to move these just over here.
Yeah.
Get those over. Another little bit of kitchen towel.
Yeah.
And get these guys off. Now, I'm going to get these guys out onto my... Let's get our cabbage on first, all right? So we need this cabbage in here. Cabbage goes in.
Okay.
You know, you don't need much salt with this either.
Yes.
So
well, there's enough salt in the bacon,
exactly.
right?
You don't need, I wouldn't add any salt to it
Okay,
whatsoever.
great.
You could add the onion into that.
Okay, lovely.
If you want. Yeah.
Yeah, great.
Boom, boom, boom. Nice and gentle heat we're wanting these to do on.
Okay.
Our cabbage and onion, they're ready.
Look great.
Ready to go. So we're going to add half of these guys back in, half of the lardons. Save the rest for our stuffing, and we'll add the potatoes back in. We can turn the heat up a little bit.
Lovely.
Give it a good stir around there, get that heat up a little bit. Okay. How are they doing, Aoife?
Looks good. I think
Looks
we're ready.
good. Ready to plate up?
Yes.
Lovely.
Let you do the honours.
So we're just going to put these in the center of the plate.
And this, again, actually is a great way of getting vegetables into breakfast.
A little bit more protein in here, is there?
And a little bit of calcium.
Exactly. So we'll sprinkle that on top. The heat of the residue should actually melt it. Hash browns, Boston style, for St. Patrick's Day.